Have you ever turned on airplane mode during a flight, in a meeting, or just to save battery, and then wondered, did I miss any calls? Well, this actually happened to me recently on my iPhone. I had airplane mode enabled for about 2 hours, and after turning it off, I expected all my missed calls to appear immediately. But for a few seconds, nothing showed up because my iPhone was still reconnecting to the cellular network. If the same thing happens to you, here's what I did. First, turn off airplane mode and wait for your carrier signal to come back. Once you see the signal bars, open the phone app. Next, tap Recents at the bottom, and then tap the Missed tab at the top. Right here, you'll see all the calls you missed while your phone was offline. For example, let's say you enabled airplane mode during a 3-hour flight. After landing, turn it off and give your iPhone a minute to reconnect. Then check the Missed section to see who called you. If you still don't see any missed calls, try this quick trick. Turn airplane mode back on for about 10 seconds and then turn it off again. This forces your iPhone to refresh the network connection. Also, make sure notifications for the phone app are enabled. Go to Settings, then Notifications, tap Phone, and make sure Allow Notifications is turned on. One more thing, check that Do Not Disturb or any other focus mode isn't enabled from Control Center because those settings can hide notifications. If calls still don't appear, contact your cellular provider since some carriers may not log calls that happened while your phone was completely offline. That's how I checked my missed calls after using airplane mode on my iPhone. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks.